Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tim and this is Tim the Trailman, and I've got some really exciting news that you may or may not know about, actually about the 5th gen 4runner. Mine is a 2020 TRD Off Road. It came with a tire pressure monitoring system from Toyota, just as all cars are as of 2008, federally required. The big difference that I just discovered is something that I'm gonna share with you in a second. So I went ahead and upgraded the tires. I went with the BF Goodrich KM3s with a matching wheel. So I went ahead and got a TRD Pro wheel, and I went ahead and put that in the spare with the 285/70/17. It'll fit right underneath the 4runner just fine. And I didn't really do that much research, but while I was at the dealership, I said, hey, is there a way to put the 5th tire in the tire pressure monitoring system? Because I went ahead and installed the tire pressure sensor into the matching wheel. My goal being to go ahead and rotate 5 tires for the life of these tires, because there's a good chance that I may or may not stick with the KM3s when I'm done experimenting with them on this next round of travels. So the tech was gracious enough to go ahead and explore it. We know that the limited 5th gen 4runners come with a 5 tire pressure monitoring system, and the GXs through Lexus also come with a 5 tire pressure monitoring system. So why not go ahead and try it on a TRD Off Road non-premium in the 2020. The big difference between the 2019 and the 2020 5th gen 4runner is the 2019s and previous non-limiteds only have a tire pressure monitoring light on the dash. It's that horseshoe with the exclamation point in it. The 5th gen 2020s and newer, they went ahead and got an LCD display upgrade where the tire pressure is actually a silhouette of the 4runner with the pressures dedicated to the corners of the car. So why not go ahead and try and get a 5th one? So he hooked up the machine. I have no video of that or anything like that. He recoded the car, and voila, there's dashes below the icon of the 4runner. I was like, what the heck? That's fantastic. Let's go ahead and drive it around the block and see what will happen. We took it for a test drive with the spare tire mounted where it's supposed to go to see if all 5 tires would go ahead and register. And it took about 10 to 15 minutes, and boom, 5 tire pressure monitoring system on a TRD Off-Road non-premium 2020. So with it, I believe that if you have a 2020 or newer 5th gen 4runner with the LCD display, you can take it to the dealership and they can code the 5th tire if you want the matching tire to go ahead and have that tire pressure sensor. My main objective was to rotate the 5th tire in without causing the tire pressure light coming on. Mary would not be happy with that, even though I'm extending the life of the tire, though there would be a light on the dash, because ain't nobody got time for that. Tell me in the comments if you knew about this, if you've tried this, if a dealership has hooked you up with it. I have no idea what it's supposed to cost. This gentleman was helping me out just to see if we could do it. So overall, what I paid might be different than what you could pay. They might do it for free. They might charge you hundreds of dollars. I don't know. But as a whole, rotating a 5th tire is going to extend the life of your tires overall, estimated 10 to 15%. And with adding that 5th sensor into that wheel, you'll go ahead and keep that light off the dash as you drive around. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope this tip was helpful. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.